this to you when you're like 20.
2.1-inch display screen, you know? Yeah.
Welcome to the land of the living. We're walking to Phillip's house. We gotta go get our trusted member. Having a barbecue right now. Good food over here.
There he is! In bed! He's gotta focus. It's time to grind, Phillip. Say hi to the camera.
We in or out? We in? Oh, we in or out? Let me see that. Oh.
Say hi, Phillip.
Hi, you ready? What are you doing, bro? Ready to go out?
I have to go say hi to everyone. Oh, say hello. Fuck you. Why are you fucking filming me, bitch?
Yo, look what they're on. That shit is fucking tight.
I know, some kind of crazy shit.
I want it on the bongos.
Yo, you rich or something? Yo, where'd you get this? Bro, you be sleeping at money?
Yo, I'm like no crazy shit with this. Yeah.
Bro, where you get all that money, Phillip? Tell us. Yo, he's trying to hide. He's trying to hide. Bite. Give me a bite. Give me a bite. Bro, that's good. Honest review of the
Good. Rice and brisket. Roast rice and farm.
Bro, the brisket was fire. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not really a rice fan.
Hear me out. We filmed over where those trees are. That blank area over there. Where those trees are. Something creepy there. And we posted on YouTube.
1 million views right there. Can we go take a shit?
Yeah, shit. Oh, look what I got yesterday. Right here.
What? What'd you get? Bro, that was there. Turn on the light for like 2 seconds.
Boom.
Gangster. That is gangster.
Thank you. Yeah, you up for filming?
Yo, what? Why is the flip on this camera? It's off. Welcome to the crib. This is my first test. It's not. I don't know if it's working good or not.